Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the best Samsung S21 lineup pre-order deals that you can get if you have a carrier. So what I mean by that is specifically T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T. I'll be going over those three pre-order deals for each carrier and showing you guys that maybe not buying to the Samsung store is a better deal for you. It depends on what you want. So first off, let's start off with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and we'll work our way down. So the pre-order deals for the Samsung S21 Ultra is $200 Samsung store credit with a Galaxy S21 Ultra purchase. Buy one S21 Ultra, get another at $1,000 off at Verizon, up to $800 off the S21 series with trade-in on T-Mobile or AT&T. Now what it means by up to $800, it means that, for example, the phone that I have right now is the S10 Plus. I would get $550 from the Samsung website. But since I did the pre-order through T-Mobile, I was able to get $800 off. So when we go down to the S21 Plus, we're going to be talking about $150 Samsung store credit with the Galaxy S21 purchase. The same thing applies here with the $800 off for the S21 series with a trade-in at T-Mobile or AT&T, and a free Samsung Smart Tag with the S21 or S21 Plus purchase. Now, when it comes to the S21, you get $100 Samsung store credit with the Galaxy S21 purchase, up to $800 off the S21 series with the trade-in, just like you did with all the other phones, and a free Samsung Smart Tag. So all of these deals are very similar, but the only thing that's very different is the in-store credit you get when you buy a phone. What I mean by that is the S21 Ultra you get $200, the S21 Plus you get $150, and the S21 you get $100 in-store credit for the Samsung's website. Now you might be wondering, what else is there? Well, like I said before, Samsung will give you $550 for your old Galaxy S10e, S10, or S10 Plus. AT&T will give you up to $800 in bill credits with a smartphone trade-in value of $95. iPhone 8, S10e, Motorola Razr. So that also sort of applies to T-Mobile. I'm not very sure on the exact phones, but you can find it on T-Mobile's website. If you search it up, you'll see all the phones that are eligible for that 800 built-in credits. Samsung is giving accessory credits during the pre-order period, which I said that $200, $150, and $100. For the S21 Ultra, you get $200, which is enough to buy the new Galaxy Buds Pro for free basically. But yeah, that's basically all the best pre-order deals if you're in a carrier, and I would definitely check these out with your carrier if you're really thinking about pre-ordering. Maybe pre-ordering through your carrier is better for you than if you pre-order through Samsung's website, because you get more off through that carrier. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.